this video, we're going to discuss why ERStudio Enterprise is the right edition for you. I'll show you Team Server Core, which is our ERStudio web portal, our data governance support, including a business glossary, and our Git integration. These are all features that are only available in our ERStudio Enterprise edition. As I said, Team Server Core is our ERStudio web portal. It's a web-based cross-functional team engagement platform where collaboration is key that allows other teams within your organization to work with and collaborate on those great metadata objects that your modelers and architects are creating. Here, I have gone into Team Server Core using a standard web browser, and I have pulled up a model that has been published into the ERStudio web portal. Notice that I can zoom in and zoom out. I can go to a specific object, but this is much more than a static image. I can click on any object and I can go into that object's definition, columns, relationships. I can read all about what's been published about that object. I can also start a discussion on it by clicking the discussion button, and starting a discussion will automatically trigger an email to be sent to any other team member that is following this object. We also have a stream function where you can post comments and have a running blog of activities that have been taken on an object. And this too will result in an email being sent to those that have followed the object. Now let's talk about ERStudio support for data governance and business glossaries. With the Enterprise Edition, you're able to align your ERStudio data dictionaries with leading data governance and data catalog applications such as Calibra and Purview. This allows you to define, standardize, and enforce business terminology organizational-wide, making business terminology and compliance management part of your overall enterprise data program. Again, this is a feature only available in our Enterprise Edition of ERStudio. Let's see it in action. Here I'm back in Team Server, and I'm looking at that same EMP table, and I'm going to click the Open in Calibra button. Here you can see I have opened up that EMP table in Calibra. The description is there, the columns associated. I even have a backlink to Team Server. This is all information that our integration with Calibra from ERStudio Enterprise has sent over and synchronized with on the Calibras. Let's go ahead and click on that backlink to bring us back into Team Server from Calibra from that EMP object. Here we are back in our ERStudio Enterprise web portal, and you can notice that there has been a term associated with this EMP table in this HR database. I can drill into the term, and I can see its entire taxonomy all the way up. I can also see on this term all the objects across my ERStudio data dictionary that term has been related to. All this information could have come across from the data governance or data catalog application, as you can set them up to be the master for term relationships, and term properties. Now let's talk about ERStudio Enterprise's Git integration. This allows you to align your data modeling practice with modern DevOps practices. ERStudio Enterprise supports GitHub, GitLab, Atlassian Bitbucket, Azure Repos, and Assembla. It provides that means of efficient version management and comprehensive change history. Important to know that this integration is able to commit both create and alter scripts as well as JSON to help provide a seamless integration with your DevOps. Here I have pulled up ERStudio Data Architect, and I am on that same physical model that we viewed in the portal earlier. You'll notice if I go to Tools, I have a Git Options function here that I can select, and this allows you to set up the details of your Git integration. You'll notice that we can now generate this file straight to Git by choosing that option and hitting the Connect button. This allows you to select a branch and enter in a commit message. If I go through the dialog and hit Finish, it will commit that script file to your GitHub GitLab repository. Here I have opened GitHub, and you can see the script file has been committed to my GitHub repository. Why upgrade to ERStudio Enterprise? As we've seen, upgrading to ERStudio Enterprise gives you important collaborative and organizational features for your enterprise data program. You have Team Server Core, the web portal that gives you that cross-functional team engagement. We have capabilities to support data governance initiatives with business terminology and compliance management enterprise-wide, and we have that seamless integration with your DevOps through our Git integration. This allows ERStudio to serve as the foundation of your enterprise data program. I'd like to thank you, and be sure to contact us at sales@idera.com if you need more information. Thank you.